Welcome to my new Bengali food channel. I'm so excited to share with you all the comforting and delicious homemade recipes that truly feel like home.
First, grate the carrot finely. The kitchen fills with sweetness. As my mother begins to cook, milk slowly thickens, sugar melts into warmth, and her gentle hands move with care. This sweet isn't just a dessert. It's love, memories, and comfort wrapped in every bite. Add it to a pan. While the carrot is cooking, prepare the coconut stuffing. Cover it and boil it in water until it becomes soft. Now take the boiled carrot in a bowl, add rice flour and a little all-purpose flour. Today on my YouTube food vlog, watch my mother making a sweet that tastes like home. Mix slowly, little by little, until it forms a soft dough. Fresh coconut with sugar. Take a small portion of the dough and a little elaichi, and cook it gently until everything comes together. Stay till the end, because some sweetness comes from the heart. Place the coconut stuffing inside and gently shape it into a puli. Next, boil milk in a pan. Add sugar. And a lychee for flavor. Slowly add the prepared puli into the milk. Let it cook gently until the milk becomes thick. Once it's thick and creamy, turn off the flame. Serve warm, soft, sweet, and full of tradition. If you want to see more Bengali food recipes, please subscribe to the channel. And also don't forget to like, share, and comment. Thank you.